चालू ही नहीं।
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you all?
We're doing good, all good, sir.
Very nice. Thank you. Okay, so we are 2 minutes over 9. Let's queue 2 more minutes so that people can join and we can start. By the way, I'm very sorry if I wake you up early in the morning. I know this is working from home, studying from home. It's a very interesting phase in your life. So I'm sorry if I wake you up early in the morning. What time you generally wake up?
5 a.m., sir.
All right.
6 a.m.
6 a.m. Who said that?
Anuj Mishra.
Anuj Mishra. Anuj. Okay. All right. Just give me 2 more minutes, friends, so that we can start. Guys, 1 more minute after 5 past 9, we can start so that we have ample of time to cover the questions, cover the slide deck, any queries, any suggestions. So we need more time. So 1 more minute and we will be starting. All right, while we are waiting, just one quick thing. If you can write the name of the city, town that you come from, say for example, Pune, Mumbai, or Nashik or whatever. So just I want to get a feel whom I'm talking to, where you're coming from. So just take a minute and write in the chat box. Okay, Jammu. Wow, fantastic. All right. Amravati. Okay. Washim. Fantastic. Hardik, Odisha. I'm Pune, Mumbai, Nasik, Pune. Okay. Nagpur, Kolhapur. Shruti. Fantastic. Akola, Aurangabad. Wow, looks like whole India is here. Kolhapur, Nashik, Varda, Jalgaon. I'm from Ponde. Okay. All right. Rakur, Akola, Bid. Fantastic. Latur, Pune. Okay. Sangli, Ramkrishna. Okay. Okay. So pretty much it's covering all over Maharashtra and also a little other part of India as well. Okay, guys, so let's start. It's 5 minutes over and we cannot wait. All right, thank you very much. Okay, am I visible to you all? Am I audible to all? Just give me thumbs up quickly. Just one quick one so that I know that I'm talking to some people there. Fantastic. Thank you very much. All right, guys, my name is Anand Munshi and I am working with 3EA. Sometimes it is also called Third Eye Advisory. And I'm here working as a principal consultant. Little more about 3EA. 3EA is a multinational consulting company. Offices in Singapore, India, and we serve around 11 sectors. And we are active in finance, marketing, HR, capability building, you name it. And we are one of the fastest growing consulting company. So, and we constantly look for people who can really work with us and be part of this good working team. So that's a little bit about us. So we start, this time is yours. And I know this is also very important time for you. Okay, some of you have joined a little late. So I still say welcome you all. And I'm very sorry if I wake you up in the morning, but this is very important. And I would say one of the very important discussion for the rest of your life. Guys, you like it or not, after education, its quality of your life totally depends on the type of earning that you have, maybe from your business or from your job. And this is your first step. So I welcome you all for this taking wonderful steps. And also congratulations to all of you for being part of such a wonderful college. College of Engineering Pune is well known. They don't need any introduction. So if you're here, if you are part of this group, I rest myself assured that yes, you are really into the game. So once again, I welcome you all and let's start with the process. I want to start with something what I call as Elon Musk theory. How many of you heard about Elon Musk? Just can I see the hands? All right, Ramkrishna is always number one. Fantastic. Okay, guys, Elon Musk gave a very interesting statement very recently. He said, the sooner the students can jump into the mainstream roles, into the corporates, into the business, the better it is. Let me repeat, the sooner you enter into the corporate roles, the business roles, where you are solving the real life situation problems, that is fantastic. So if you are looking for a job after your education, I think that's a wonderful thing. And why it is important? Because the world in the last 1 year has changed like anything. Now, change is the only constant left. The future is not what it used to be. It has changed dramatically. The customer expectation has changed. The market positioning has changed. The way business do business with the people has changed. And we also look people who can map up with this. So at this time, we look up to you guys to come and become part of our vibrant team. All right, so that's number one. Number two that we want to focus is, this is a pre-placement talk. We have a job that is on offer for those who got 3 main skills. So generally, this is the most important question that is asked every time where we enter into a discussion. Number one, okay, what you look in a candidate, what qualities, what attributes you look in a candidate. And this is, I would say, very important question because you work into the education sector. So you have taken your education and now you want to go into the mainstream. So you want to make sure that you are becoming a part of the mainstream roles. So guys, for your thing, there are three things that we look into people when they start joining us. Number one, strong technical skills. Why it is important? Because that shows the seriousness of the work that you have done in last 3 years or 4 years with your education. That's a trend, that's your commitment, that's your approach that we look. So strong technical knowledge, that's number one. Number two has got nothing to do with your technical knowledge and what I call as independent problem solver. Can you solve your problem independently in your personal life and professional life? Once you join the workforce, if you look at the problems, can you think of some options? Can you think of a method? Or maybe can you look up to some other people to get the solutions done? You may not have all the solutions, but are you out? Are you taking that extra step to go out and say, excuse me, guys, I don't know this. Can you help me with doing this? That is something that we look. Some people who just can come out of their comfort zone and make things happen. And number three, this is again what Warren Buffett has said, communication skills. Now, communication skill is not just your English speaking skills or your vocabulary. Communication skill, I would say in a very simple word, your ability to put things in a very simple, non-confusing manner, period. Simple, non-confusing manner. If you can present yourself, I think you got a fantastic communication skills. And obviously you need that courage, confidence, and soft skill things that will come. But these are the three things that will look. All right. So I have a slide deck, which I will cover in 5 to 7 minutes. I want most of this time to be covered in having question answers. So if you haven't think about this, let's sure that you start working with the questions. Okay, so just give me 1 second. All right. Now, so let me quickly cover up the slide deck and then we can start the question. Okay, is that yes? Guys, are you not sleeping, right? Okay, so let me cover the slide deck. All right, 3EA Global Academy. Now you might be thinking, what is this Global Academy? Am I going to learn something new again? I'm just finishing my education, I'm finishing my graduation, so do I need to be part of this thing again? The answer is no. 3EA has got a wonderful, unique concept, what we call as Global Academy. Global Academy is, first of all, we get the right people and we train so that they start to add value. Okay, and that is the responsibility we take. Once we hire you, we make sure that you are running up to the best speed that you can offer. Okay, all right, so let's we cover about this. Okay, what is this unique opportunity? It is a in-house training and development people to hire freshers and prepare them for real client assignments. All right, guys, I want to tell you 3 things here. Okay, let me ask you a question, guys, first. What are the major challenges that is happening in your mind right now? What are the major problems that you see that you're facing? Okay, just write in the chat box or maybe you can speak up. Tell me what problems or what challenges that you feel as a freshers once you complete your education. Anyone? Ramkrishna, I know you are always there. Rachna, and I got Ramkrishna, someone with 121997010. I know this is your roll number. Adnya. Okay, quickly, guys, quickly, we don't have time. What 1 or 2 key challenges that you always face or you always think about this problem once you complete your education? Lack of practical knowledge. Fantastic, Nikhil. I think that's a wonderful thing. Work experience. Okay, Ramkrishna, thank you. And Rohit said practical work. Okay, job according to the skill sets. Fantastic. Rachna, that's a wonderful thing. Okay, challenge to put forward the new ideas. Devendra, wow, this is purely getting into the consulting stream. Yes. Okay. Bridge between learning and application. Okay. Mohit, thank you. What else? What else? Quick, guys, we are 100 people. Tell me more. Application of theoretical knowledge. Okay. All right. And this is direct message from Rohan. Lack of confidence to express. Wow, Rohan, that's why you message me on a direct message. Okay. Rohan Katkar. All right. Okay. Anything else? Lack of confidence to express. Just few more and we can move on. Few more and we can move on. Few more. Syllabus to real world ratio. Okay. I know that's a very interesting term that you have used there. Okay. All right. Thank you. Guys, this is exactly what we are looking at. Our experience when we deal with the freshers once they have completed their education from a very reputed college like COEP, and once they enter into the real world scenario, we find there are certain challenges that they face. The first one is getting the job. The second one is keeping the job. The third one is growing at the job. Getting a job, keeping the job, and growing at the job. Wonderful concept, guys. So if you start with a job and just within a week you realize that your skill sets, your theoretical knowledge, your practical application is not working here, and you scratch your head, am I at the wrong place? Have I done anything in my education? Why the things that I learned is not making any sense? Why I am losing my confidence? To address these issues of the student, what we have done, we have started with this unique opportunity so that we train them with world's best practices. So the moment you enter into your workforce, you are not looking anywhere. That's number one. Okay. So engage them early, train them well, and develop human capital. See, the approach is simple that we follow. We are approaching fresh graduates like you, conduct selection process. I'm sure most of you would have appeared for psychometric personality test. After this, the selected students will go for the personal interview. And you will be offered a full-time job as a business analyst with a CTC of 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum. Now, why 5 lakhs to 6 lakhs? Here it is. The answer is here. Selected candidate join as a certified professional program, what we call as CPP. And you students will go 300 hours of course, focusing on strengthening your theoretical concepts and bringing it back to the practical applications. And wonderful thing is you will be issued with an official MacBook, a startup kit, and you will be starting from your day one to learn the fantastic things. So that is something that's going to happen. That's how the learning will happen. These are the 3 areas that we will be covering. Number one, what we call as strategic management orientation. The live quizzes will be there, the assignments will be there, the case studies will be there, and you will love it. This is all engaging and very, very empowering. The second 100 hours will comprises of domain knowledge development. You will have again the live quizzes and assignments and so on. And finally, learning by doing. So candidates will be put onto the live projects. Guys, can you imagine this particular role that we are offering? It's not into sales. This is purely in consulting. You will sit with the client, rub shoulders with shoulders, and start adding value to the life. You will suggest your solution from your very beginning itself. Of course, you will be guided by your buddy system, some seniors and other things, but the exposure that you will be getting is phenomenal. It's humongous. That is something we all have to understand how this one is different. Okay. Now, during the Global Academy learning, you will be given your things in 2 ways. You will be called as influencers or you will be called as a learners once you have completed. If you pass your training as an influencer, you will be given 6 lakh rupees as CTC starting point. If you are finishing it as a leaders, it will be 5 lakh CTC as a leader. Okay. Now there is a fees of 1 lakh rupees, which is 100% refundable after 1 year of working full time with us. Now the question is asked, why you are charging 1 lakh rupees? And the answer is, guys, we at 3EA, we strongly focus on empowering the people, be it at junior level or be at senior level. Our tremendous focus is how we can engage, empower, and transform our own people first. We will invest heavily in terms of your learning and development. And that is how we also add value to the client. So once we look for the students, once we look for the people who are willing to join us, we look two things. Are you ready to learn? Are you having that level of seriousness towards learning? You have gone through your education process. Now, are you ready to take one step up and bridge that gap of theoretical and practical knowledge? And that's how you enter in your own field. So we need that commitment from you so that you start adding value to yourself and you start adding value to us. And at the same time, you start adding value to the client that you're working with. And that is why we are looking for people who are serious. And that's why we are charging this 1 lakh rupees. And also you will be given an official MacBook. You will be given all flexibility to complete your course so that it becomes your strong starting point in your career. So this is more about your commitment towards us. Guaranteed, the moment you complete your, you have registered with us. I'm sure you would have also gone through the psychometric test. Now the results will be out. Once you clear your interview and once you are selected in the interview, you will be given offer letter that you are given a full-time job with 3EA after you have completed 3 months or what I call as 300 hours of CPP training. Done. You are having a guaranteed job once you have cleared your personal interview. Okay. Once that is done, you work with us for 1 year. At the end of that 1 year, as a full-time person, you will be refunded with this money. Now, how cool it is. You have learned, you have earned, and now you are getting it back. So guys, it's your time so that you reward back to the company that has invested on you. It is the level of seriousness that we look every time we walk. And this is very, very important thing that we look for. Candidates should be graduates or appearing in the final year of graduation of any stream. Now you might be thinking that I'm from mechanical or I'm from computer science, I am from IT, I am from automobile, I am from manufacturing. Am I losing my touch with my core subject? The answer is no. In fact, we will leverage your expertise to put you in front of the right people. In fact, we will use 3 things to give you the type of role that you can demand. Number 1, your mainstream education. Number 2, how nicely you have performed on your real-time basis. And number 3, your own inclination. Once you mix it up, that will make you very uniquely positioned in our company. And that's how you start adding value to your life. Okay, see, candidates should be open for international traveling. I'm sure not at this stage, but eventually everything will be opening up. So we want people who are hands-on, who are looking to get international exposure, and you should possess a passport, of course, that goes without saying. So we are looking for people who are ready to learn, who are ready to experiment, who are ready to keep adding value to their life. Okay, guys, I want to finish this quickly. So if I can take more question, I'm sure you would have registered. Guys, just a quick check of hand. I'm sure all of you would have appeared for your psychometric test. Is there anyone who has not appeared for the psychometric test? Then technically you should be here. So all of you have appeared for the psychometric test. Beautiful. Very soon, the results of the psychometric test and your selection will be going to the next level. And I must tell you this is very, very empowering and very, very happening environment. And that's exactly we also expect from you. So you should be ready to learn new things. And that's what will make things interesting. So this is end-to-end process. I think I've mentioned this. You submit your application, the psychometric test is done, personal interview will be happening soon, selection will happen, and full-time job will come. Okay. And in between, there is a CPP, that's 3 months or 300 hours of training that you have to go. Okay, sir, there are some students who could not complete test because of login issue. Okay, I will share my email address and it is here, Rohan, Rupesh. Please, if there are any particular, sorry. Okay, guys, this is serious. If for some reason or another, if you could not complete your psychometric test, that is not good. You should have done it. And if something has gone wrong there, I will pass it to my IT team. They will be in touch. So please write your name, your mobile number, your email address, and the issue that has happened. Send that information to me or to your training and placement officer. Compile all this information and I will pass it to my team. So I sincerely apologize if you have gone through some process of login and other things. Okay, we take into this consideration. Please note my email address and share the details soon. All right. Now the benefits, early exposure to the quality work. So first few months, you are not daydreaming or other things. You are right into the things. You are really adding value to the people around you. You become independent problem solver. You develop the mindset of an achiever. You would start to take things in a very consultative approach. You look at the problem, understand the pros and cons, do different SWOT analysis. You learn the best practices. That's the beauty working with the consultants who are experienced. You just watch the Sachin Tendulkars of the world in action. Yes, that will develop your confidence, that will develop your competence. Both are required for us and strong career path. Guys, can you imagine if you guys comes to us and if we nurture you, if we train you, if you guide me, if we motivate you and you learn everything and we kickstart your career that will help you for the rest of your life. This is our success. This is our scenario that we really want to focus on. And that's exactly what I also look from you. Okay, so guys, with that, I am done. Now, we have approximately half an hour before we go. So I like to have questions. So one by one, if you have some questions or if you can type your questions, if you have any suggestions, whatever it is, we can happy to do that. Okay, so Rohan has already mentioned about this. I'm sorry, Rupesh. So if you, how many of you had issues that you cannot log to, you could not complete the psychometric test? How many of you are there? Hello. No, Rupesh, other than you, I think nobody is having problem there, is it? Well, whoever it is, there were around 15 students. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you. So I passed that information. All right. Are there any quick questions regarding this 1 lakh rupee fees and other things that you have? How many students companies planning to hire? That's a very, very good question, Anuj. See, we have requirement for around 130 students that we need to hire in next 1 year. But more importantly, 50 students in next 2 months. Yes, as we are talking, we are also talking to other colleges and doing it. We are looking to people who can start early with us and get the things rolling. See, very soon the pandemic things is going to happen. It's all over. Now people are waiting and they are waiting to bounce back. The industry will bounce back because the expectation of customer has changed. And they need to form new products, new services, I would say better products and better services. For that, they need better people like us who can add value. Okay. Okay. Actually, they did not get placement talk link. Yes, and that's the thing, because we have called only those who have passed the psychometric test. And Rupesh, I think this is serious, and I thank you very much. You are really helping me with this. If you can do me a small favor, talk to those students who could not complete their psychometric test. We don't want to lose them. Who could not complete their psychometric test. Share their link with us. I talk to IT people and arrange for their quick setting up the psychometric test. Okay, can you take that responsibility for me, please? Rupesh? Okay, so you have my email address. Please talk to them who got this issue. I think they should be appearing for the psychometric test and they should be having this one here. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Anuj, did I answer your question? Training will be online or offline? Guys, at this stage, online. Online, because online is online. See, the situation because of COVID is very interesting. We don't want to put you people into any problem. Okay, so at this stage it will be online, but very soon it is going to be offline if it happens. But that should not be a problem for you. Even if you complete 300 hours online, we are fine with this. Okay, we are fine with this. We know whom we are talking and we have strong trust on the psychometric test. Guys, I should tell you one thing. We rely heavily on our psychometric test. We rely heavily. And the results that it comes from out is very good. So I want to sincerely apologize if you cannot make it to the selection list, because we look for certain traits. We look for certain characteristics, certain personalities that works with us. And that's also good for you. So the moment you got that call from us that you are selected, guys, I would say well done. This is really important. We have certain criteria, sometimes it's a very strict criteria, but we do it. Guys, I think I'm losing on the questions. Okay, why are you hiring students from technical background rather than MBA and BBAs? Okay. We are looking for students or freshers who can think. Okay. We want people to start from day one. Technical knowledge always helps. It adds your ability to understand things, your ability to put things in a mathematical manner. If you have that engineering background, it helps. And we have a good track record in our own company. The people who come from engineering background, they do well. Okay, because you are a quick learner. Can anybody tell me how many subjects you have learned in last 4 years, including your Viva, including your practical, including your theory, including other things? Tell me how many. I was told it is somewhere between 125. Sorry, how many?
So 30, 40 subjects like main course subject there.
No. Main course are there, but there is practical, there is Viva, there is internal courses and other things.
Yeah, it will
And the
double
beauty
then.
is you are given 3, yes, and you are given, I would say, around 3 to 4 months to master these subjects. We are looking for quick learners. What's your name? Jyoti. So we are looking for people from technical background. So that helps. Soft skill comes. That is something what we can do. Can we pay 1 lakh rupee fees in installment? See, my quick answer is no. But if there are certain issues, I have to check with HR. I have to check with HR. Guys, just think about this. You are not going for MBA if you are into BBA now or your graduation. If you go to MBA, then you spend around how many lakhs? I don't know how much MBA cost in Pune. Anyone? How much MBA cost here? How much
2
MBA
to
cost?
3 lakhs.
What is the MBA cost? 2 to 3 lakhs rupees in Pune? I doubt. 2 to 3 lakh rupees? Is that all for 2 years of MBA? Whatever the case. See, you're not, I would say you're not losing 2 years, and at the same time you are entering into the stream. And Elon Musk idea is fantastic for me. The sooner you enter into the mainstream, the better it is. Okay, all right. But that's a good question. I think I have to check with this. What kind of interview questions should we expect? Shikhar, you are an interesting person. So you want me to tell you the questions? Guys, it's mostly about you, what you have done, what you look for. Is this the right fit for you? how serious you are in terms of paying that 1 lakh rupees, coming here and doing that seriousness. Let me ask you one question, Shikhar. If the similar situation happens, and if there is an offer for 1 lakh rupees and you're committing yourself for learning for 1 year and at the same time earning, you're learning and at the same time earning, and this money is refunded back, what are the chances? Phenomenal. You're learning, you're earning at the same time, the investment that you did for your learning, it's coming back to you. People don't want to commit because they don't know if they can commit themselves. And if you're that person, my suggestion is please don't apply. If you cannot commit yourself for 1 year of learning and earning, please don't apply. This is not the right place. We want people who are serious about their learning, who are serious about the earning, who are serious about to learn the consulting atmosphere and get the things done. Okay, if a student is not able to complete 300 hours, will the money be deducted from the deposit? See, this money is refundable after 1 year. Okay, it's not going to come back to you. So you go through the CPP, you learn 300 hours, you contribute to the company for 1 year, and this money is refunded. So there is no pro rata types things. This is purely a commitment from your side that you are ready to learn 300 hours. Okay. Guys, if you look at that way, if you go to college, what is your college duration every day? 5 hours, 6 hours? How much time you spend every day on college?
5 to 6 hours.
5 to 6 hours. Guys, 300 divided by 6. How many? 50 days. So we are talking 50 days of college, basically, if you look at that way. Okay. And I must tell you, this is all about your commitment. And this is where different things comes to you. And if you think, no, sir, I want to go for MBA, I want to learn for 2 more years and spend whatever money that MBA cost, then please don't join. This is not for you. We want people who are ready to learn, because this one will make you enter into the mainstream of your work. We want people who are committed, who are focused, who are ready to give back to the company. Okay. 48 approximately. Sir, what are the challenges faced by fresher students like us when we get into the company? I said this. See, when the people they come, they find they have certain strict mindset about training and their education. And the things that are used into the corporate world, it's entirely different. They cannot draw the line. They cannot draw that bridge. They don't have that way, a mechanism of transgressing from here to the next level. That is number one. And that is exactly we are here to give you that training. Guys, so many people in the very first week itself, they question that, am I at the wrong place? Because they are not properly trained. And these are the same students who pass their school education and college thing with higher distinctions. So my suggestion for you is focus in terms of learning, and give that time of 300 hours to equip yourself with the quality things. Okay. Rishikesh said 70 to 20 lakhs. Yes, I think I was told in Pune, if you want to do MBA from a well-to-do university, it will cost to somewhere from 7 to 10 lakh as a tuition fees, and 3 to 4 lakhs extra as expense for the 2 years. Guys, you have to pay here 1 lakh and you are starting to earn. But I'm telling you, you have to wait for the interview, for the psychometric test results to come out, and then we can give you what it is there. Okay. What is the payment policy during training? Okay, in training, you're not paid, you're working for us. But the moment you join training, you are given confirmed job with us once you have completed your training. Okay, you're not paid in training, you're learning. Once you have finished your thing, once you've completed that 300 hours, and that's how you start your job from day one. And from there, your 5 lakh CTC or 6 lakh CTC, it depends how nicely you complete your training. So guys, if you are joining, make sure you do it nicely. Make sure you complete your training with influencer, not as a leader. That's number one. Number two, the sooner you complete and the nicely you complete, the sooner you start joining us and sooner you start earning. Okay, so that's how it is. Depend on the college fees. Yes, I think you're talking about MBA. Is there any bond of minimum years of working with 3EA? 1 year. If you're really after getting that 1 lakh rupees back, you need to work with 3EA with us 1 year on a full-time basis. That's it. And while you are there, you're also earning, you are learning how good it is. Okay, and this is going to be in Pune, or I'm sorry, this is going to be in Mumbai or Lucknow, depending on the things, how we can do this. So what does influencer or leader decide? Okay, will it decide the direction of the job in any ways? Okay, that's a very good question. See, training is a learning atmosphere. You need to show your commitment, your results. And based on your commitment and results, you will be either given as a tag of influencer once you complete the training or a leader. We want to have a differentiation for people who are working hard. And that's what I call as welcome to the corporate world. The people who will work hard will be definitely rewarded. Can you imagine, guys, if you work 3 months, just listen to this very carefully. If you work for 3 months nicely, your starting salary will be 20% higher. How good it is. Fantastic. So if you are coming, please come with full commitment, and 300 hours you have to complete with the brightest colors. We want all of you to come as an influencer, and more details will be shown to you once you join, and we will told that how you can come into different category. There are no rocket science. It's very, very, I would say, very, very transparent. So nothing about it. We are there to help you. We are not there to make your life hell. See, if you succeed, we succeed. You understand this? We are not here to give you very interesting problems. So that's what it is. What is the payment policy during training? I think we covered. Not audible. No. Guys, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Dayanand, I'm sorry if you, Dayanand, can you listen? Can you, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, audible. That time it was not.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you. Okay, what is the future of business analyst in 3EA? Humongous. Everything is open for you. The sky is the limit. It's all up to you. From business analyst, you can become associate consultant, then domain knowledge expert, then whatnot, then principal consultant, partner. It's a rungs. It's a ladder that you have to follow. It's there. It's everything that is there. And I tell you one thing, and this is the secret. You want to hear the secret? Come close. See, what you do as a business analyst and what I do as a principal consultant is same. Depends on the quality, maturity, experience. That's it. So you won't do something different than what I'm doing. As soon as you get more experience, you can start building on your existing experience. And that is how it is. That is exactly how it is. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, that's what it is. Final selection is based on interview plus psychometric test. Is based on interview or psychometric test plus interview. Psychometric test plus interview. Okay, a small bad news is sometimes we have certain understanding about the roles. We have certain understanding what type of people will get success at the particular role. So based on that, we have designed the question, and based on that, you will be marked. Okay, some people could not make it. Some people won't make it because they could not clear the psychometric test. Okay, that's a bad. So if you are a little casual when you are preparing for the psychometric test, bad luck. But if you are getting that call from us that you are successful and you are promoted for an personal interview, I think you can celebrate. Yes, because I know there are so many people who could not make it. So yes, your final results will be based on psychometric test plus interview. Yes, thank you. Okay, which MacBook we will be get, and is it before training or after? Shubham, I don't know. It's a MacBook. It will be given the moment you start your training. Okay, yes. Okay, what does an influencer do and a leader do in 3A account to your definitions? They will do exactly the same. They will do exactly the same. This differentiation is just to reward the high achievers. This differentiation is there to reward the high achievers. And it's a framework. It's open to you. So if I were you, again, I will spend all my focus and energy getting best out of the deal, working 300 hours, which is 50 days of your COEP work schedule. As in a job profile, virtually the same. Okay, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. What is the mode of training? Recorded videos, live session, assignments, everything. Recorded, live session, quizzes, group discussions, talking with the client, everything, everything. Guys, please don't get upset. Please don't get stressed out. This is very engaging, very empowering. And you people have cleared one of the best exam and you are into COEP, right? I'm not doubting your talent. I'm not doubting your commitment. I'm not doubting your seriousness. It is going to be a piece of cake. The problem comes when you start to take it for granted and when you don't put yourself into the right place. Okay, yes. What is the mode of training? Recorded things. That's really nice. Thank you for answering. Thank you very much. Is there some work related to data analytics? Big time work, Rohan. We have so many assignments. And if you are you good with data analytics, Rohan? Data analytics? Sometimes you can speak also, don't have to really type. I tell you, have you heard of data scientist? And Harvard Business Review has called it the sexiest job of 21st century. See, if you are good with numbers, if you are good with the business knowledge, and if you are a storyteller, this is what I call as a data scientist. Once you become data scientist, your average salary will be at least 3 times more than other people. This is according to Harvard Business Review. Okay, guys, if you're good with maths, and I would go back to that girl who was answering, I think Deepali or Deepika, I'm sorry. We want people with good analytical skills. We want engineers to come here. We want people to learn quickly. We want you to have a good, strong technical business knowledge. And you should be a storyteller. You should have good communication skills. If these 3 things are there, nobody can stop you here. As you said, we are not completely moving away from engineering stream. How did you plan to do that? See, if you are really looking to go into the core of this, if you're coming from mechanical engineering, for example, and if you're looking to design a shaft or ball bearing, or if you're from production engineering and you want to understand the things, there are obviously opportunities for you once you have relevant client. Okay, once you have relevant client and knowing your background, knowing your education, knowing your interest, we always try to make you work into the relevant fields. It helps us a lot because if you are a mechanical engineer and if you're working with a client who have a manufacturing setup of automobile parts, you are an obvious choice for us. Okay. And if your role is to go and directly into manufacturing, this is not going to help you. We have a consulting atmosphere. Please understand, consulting is different than actually working. Okay, so this is something that you have to understand. Sir, is there any prerequisite required joining the job? Completion of graduation, psychometric test as per our expectations. Personal interview cleared. You should have paid 1 lakh rupees plus whatever GST that comes. Then you will be issued unconditional job offer from our end. Unconditional job offer from our side. That Mr. What's your name? Anuj Mishra. Thank you for joining CPP. We have received this amount of 1 lakh plus GST, and now you can start with your CPP training. As soon as you complete your CPP training, you go on a full-time job and work for 1 year, and at the end of that 1 year, your money is refunded back. Okay, unconditional. So there is no prerequisites other than this. Obviously, you cannot carry forward your subjects and other things. You should be a complete graduate. You passed all your subjects. Yes, sir, developing skills. Okay. Is there any prerequisite required for joining the job? Will there be any test that we need to clear after training? See, there will be quizzes and there will be cases and other things, but they are not there to kill you. It is there as a part of the training. Once you have learned something, you need to demonstrate your learning. Okay, it's a typical training so that we are confident that you have learned your topics. Okay, so there is no serious commitment that you have to do this and that jump from the Mount Everest, nothing like that. It's a part of things, that other things. Okay, will there be any test that we are given? Please introduce 3A, its journey and statistics. Okay, see, 3EA is 9 years old. We have worked approximately 350 plus fantastic international, national projects. We are active in marketing assignments, sales, HR, finance, consulting, in the consulting domain, of course, yes, capability building, analytical skills, problem solving things. We are also into the chartered accounting firms, and we also have our own production house. And there are so many things that are happening in parallel. So it's a big exposure based on your situations and your things. You will be put into different aspects of the role. Okay. Please introduce 3A with its journey and statistics. I think we are done. Then if there is anything else, I strongly suggest you please jump onto the website. So the website is 3ea.in. So 3ea.in, this is the this is your website, and just go there and you can read a lot about this. In a stipend during the training, Nilesh Patil, I'm sorry, there is no stipend. And as I mentioned, this is going to be online thing. You have paid for this 1 lakh rupees and you will get your MacBook. So you start working on your own things. Once you have completed your 300 hours of training and other things, you will be put onto the full-time basis. And that's where your job, full-time job will start with a CTC of 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs based on how you have performed on the training. Okay. What are the metrics that the company is looking for from the psychometric test? Leadership, commitment, working under pressure, team bonding, crisis analysis, emotional intelligence. These are some of the things that will look. Okay, Moin, that's a very good question. Thank you. What package can we expect after 1 year? See, based on your performance throughout the year, there will be a routine performance appraisal based on how you performed. And that totally depends on your working for the 1 year. Okay, that is from our HR policy with your team leader and other things that will be decided. What is your performance after, or what will be your package after 1 year? I believe start of the career should be maintenance of consulting firm to open up our boundaries. Exactly. See, we are not there to make your life hell. We want you to get successful. We want you to do fantastic things. So yes, initially based on your expertise and confidence level, we start to give you more and more work, and that's how we start to expand your boundaries. That's exactly what will happen. Okay, sir, as we can see, around 250 people are listed who have given the psychometric test. So are you going to look through everyone's results, or are you going to segregate them first via their CGPS as technical knowledge in the first priority? Hardik, you are intelligent person. Guys, as we are talking, we are thinking what's the best way out, how we will do this. But I must tell you, your psychometric test will be very important part of it. See what happened in your CGPA, what you have done in your 10th and 12th, though they are important, but not as important as your current psychometric test. And you people all come to COEP, so I'm not doubting your technical or academic expertise. You are there, otherwise you could not crack it. Hardik, what was your rank when you entered the COEP? I'm sure you would have been fantastic. So it's a mix of everything. And for our own privacy reason, we cannot tell you this, but it's going to be a fair thing. So don't worry about it. We will work about this one. Will it be field work, Ramakrishna? Yes, consulting has got mix of everything. You will go, you will sit with the client in their offices, you will work with them, you will have everything that is required. So it's going to be a consulting thing. Yes. Sir, please tell us about the salary increment and promotion policy. I think I mentioned based on your performance in last 1 year with the company, the way other people are treated, you will be also treated, and the performance appraisal will happen. Okay, beautiful. All right, guys, thank you. We have covered 1 hour of the things. Okay, so I will be in touch with your training and placement coordinator and pass the results back to you. Guys, just I want to understand what's your availability for personal interview. Are you having your colleges in the second half today? When we can schedule the personal interviews? I think this question I can ask with ma'am, but do you have classes going on right now? Okay, anytime we can conduct this. Okay. So you're available in the second half, right? Beautiful. Are there any last questions? Few of them are interning, so it depends, sir. I don't know what to do here. But anyway, I will be in touch with ma'am and just we will pass the details of the psychometric test, sorry, with the selection criteria, and we will do this. And Rupesh, if you can help me with the people who did not appear for, where will be the job postings? Okay, Mumbai and Lucknow at this stage. We don't know where the COVID situation will get better. For time being, it's going to be online for at least for your training. But as soon as things is opened up, we will have the job openings as of now in Mumbai and Lucknow. But very soon we might have in Pune as well. So thinking it's just the process. All right, guys. So I wish you all the very best. I hope my input did make sense to you. You are really nice people. I really like to work with you all. And once again, thank you very much for your questions. Thank you, students.